Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my dear friends. Yes, last class we discussed about the fundamentals of algebra, and this class we're going to discuss about exercise 11.1. Okay, there in this topic we will discuss about what? We will discuss about what? So, in this class we're going to discuss about the questions of exercise 11.1. इस क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 11.1 की क्वेश्चंस. Okay. So it's very important that when we do any exercise, we need to know the theory part or the concept of mass. And then after what happens, it becomes very easy for us to understand. Okay, my dear friends, let's welcome to this class. And here we will be discussing how to solve the questions of algebra, and that is exercise 1.1 of NCRT. Good, very good. Now the question says find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchstick patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. Right? Good. Last class we discussed about how to write C, how to write F. This class it is asking the question how to make it what? T. Okay, to write a T, how many matchsticks are required? Who can tell me?
Sir, 2.
This is 1, this is 2. So can we make a fundamental rule? If you write 2 t's, it is 2. For 2, it is 4.
4.
Like this, if you make a table for 3, we required 6. Yes or no?
6.
So what the rule we can put here? The common rule is, what is that?
Sir,
For 1, it is 2. For 2, it is 4. For 3,
yes.
it is 6. And what the common rule says? The rule says, yes. How much is it? This is 1 multiplied by 2. This equal to
Sir,
2.
2 multiplied by n.
Good. 2 multiplied by 3. That the rule is 2 multiplied by n, or it is 2n. Correct? So this is the rule, a pattern of letter T. And the rule for this is 2n. Get it? Very good.
Yes.
Next, the pattern of letter for Z. For Z, 1, 2, 3. 3 are required. So for 1, it is 3. For 2Z, how much? 6. For 3Z, we need 9. So now got it? So the common rule for this is, yes, it is, yes, you can tell me. What's the common rule? It is equal to 1 multiplied by 3. You can say like that. 1 multiplied by 3. Here 2 multiplied by 3. This is 3 multiplied by 3. It means देखो यहाँ पर 1z के लिए 1z के लिए 1 है. For 2z it is 2. For 3z it is 3. So this is what it's constant. This is variable. Okay, it changes. For what's constant? This is 3. That is constant. So 3 and what changes? 1, 2, 3. This is variable. 3 multiplied by n is equal to 3n. Now clear? So this
Yes, sir.
is 3n. Get it? Very good. Now let's go to the next question. And we will not only solve the question, we will go for further and giving you more information about how to solve the questions in a better way. Sorry, it has gone too much. Yeah, I'm going there. Good. Okay, 11.1. Yes. Yes, now I will not explain it. You will tell me directly, you will write the rule. How many? 1, 2, 3. So again, this is 3n. Okay. 2. For B, we need 2. So it is 2n. For E, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 mastics are required to form one E. So the rule says 5n. Clear? Good. Now the pattern of S. The pattern of S is like this. Let me make it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again same. 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also the rule is 5.
Same.
And for this one, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6. So what's the rule? Who can tell me? Is there anyone who can tell me the rule? For 1A, we require 6 sticks. So what's the common rule? Yes? Quick.
Sir,
6. For 1, we need 6. For 2, we need
Sir,
12.
6 multiplied by n
That
is
is
equal to 12.
6 and is the rule over here. Now clear? Very,
Yes.
very good. Everyone is welcome because this is the fundamental thing what we have studied. Now let us go to question number 2. Go to question number 2. And in question number 2, we will solve this question properly. Okay. Question number 2. Yes. Now the question number 2 has come. Let us see how it is. We already know the rule for the pattern of letters LCF. Some of the letters from Q, question number 1, given above, give us some rule as that given by L. Which are these? Why does this happen? Right? Now you see, these are the letters which we studied and we have found the solution, the common rule for this. हम इस लेटर के लिए common rule बनाया, right? Common rule क्या था? किसी का 2n था, किसी का 3n था, किसी का 5n था, किसी का 6n भी था. But इस क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि rule for the common letters of L, C, F को हमने पढ़ लिया, we have done it. Some of the letters for question number 1, Q1 means question number 1 given above, upper जो दिया है, give us the same rule that of L. मतलब same rule, give us the same rule. Same rule का मतलब क्या है? L के लिए कितना चाहिए हमें? How much we require for L?
2.
The common rule was 2L, isn't it? But you see
Yes.
for V also it is same. The common rule is 2L, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Why this question? Why does this happen? It's a clue. Why does this happen? Why this is happening? Because you see, when we write a letter, how many mastics are required? Accordingly, we put it. So L के लिए भी कितना चाहिए? 2 चाहिए. V के लिए भी you need to 2 ही चाहिए. तो दोनों के लिए 2 चाहिए mastics. That's why the rule is same.
Same. Yes, sir.
Can you write? You have to write that the number of mastics required for V is also 2 and for L it is also 2. That's why L has 2n rule and also the same rule is for V, that is 2n. Now clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very okay. Now let us go to number 3. In number 3, cadets are marching in a parade. You know parade? Especially on 15th August and 26th Jan, parade is being organized in schools and colleges everywhere. There are 5 cadets in a row. So in a row, how many cadets are there? Suppose this is a row, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cadets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cadets are there in a row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets given the number of rows? Use n for the number of rows. Do you understand? How many cadets are there in a row? 5 cadets. Okay. There are 5 cadets in a row. Got it? Good. Now, what is the rule which gives the number of cadets? Give the number of cadets given the number of rows. It means use n for the number of rows. आया समझ में? Suppose it says use n for rows. मतलब अगर हमारे पास n रो हो गए, one row में कितने cadets है? How many cadets are there in one row? 5 cadets. 1,
5 cadets.
3, 4, 5. Then what is the common rule that tells us how many numbers of cadets are there in suppose मैं बोलूंगा n मतलब क्या है? 10 रो बोल दिया मैं. Suppose मैं बोला 10 रो में कितने cadets है? How many cadets are there in 10 rows?
Sir, 10.
10 rows. How many cadets are there in 10 rows? कितना कैडेट होंगे? अगर वो 10 रो बना दिए तो कितने कैडेट्स होंगे वहां पर? एक रो में
Sir,
500.
100.
Okay. In a row, there are 5 cadets. If I make 10 rows like this, then how many cadets will be there?
Sir, 50.
Good. Okay, if I make 15 rows, then it will be 15 multiplied by 5. This is 75. Okay, so like that, what can be the rule for this? क्या रूल बना सकते हैं? कॉमन रूल क्या होगा? Because n is used for rows and 5 is for each row. So the common rule is what? Common rule is 5 multiplied by n, that is equal to 5n. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
रो जितना भी हो 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. अगर बोला 2 रो है only 2 rows are there, then how many cadets are there? 5 multiplied by 2, then that is equal to 10. If 4 rows, 5 multiplied by 4. तो n के जगह हमें लिखना है how many rows are there. This is the common rule that is not good. Okay. Let's go to number 4. This one. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, take this is a box, think this is a box. In a box, how many mangoes are there? This is a box, okay? It's covered 50 mangoes. 50 mangoes are there. How will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. So there are many boxes here, right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe some boxes. How many boxes? 5 boxes are there. Now the question says use B for boxes. And in a box, how many mangoes are there? 50 mangoes are there in a box.
50. Yes, sir.
Now, what can be a common rule that can we find so that we can find the answer? Sometimes I बोलूँगा मैं बोलूँगा 15 boxes are there. Sometimes मैं बोलूँगा 10 boxes है. Sometimes मैं बोलूँगा 6 boxes है. Sometimes I can say there are 2 boxes. So number of boxes can vary. That's why we take B as box because it's a variable. It can be 1 box, it can be 2 box, it can be 5 box, what it may be. But what's the fixed one? Which is
Sir,
fixed?
15.
50. So what could be the
50
rule?
is fixed.
50b, very good. 50 multiplied by b, or you can write 50b. 50 multiplied by b, or you can write 50b is the common rule, to get the answer, right? Good,
Yes, sir.
very good. Yes, question number 5. This is very interesting. The teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Now understand, suppose this is your teacher. He distributes pencils to you. Everyone will be given a pencil by the teacher. Okay. How many pencils he gives? The teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Who can tell me what the meaning of five pencils per student? Per student means one student gets how many pencils?
5 pencils.
Good. 5 pencils. One student gets 5
5 pencils.
pencils. Right. Okay. Can you tell me how many pencils are needed? Give the number of students S. We don't know the number of students kitna hai.
Sir, 5 multiplied by S.
Very good, very good. 5 students, 5 pencils, and we don't know the students. So for student, we take small s. So that is equal to 5s. This is the rule for what? This number 5. Good, very good. Now let's go to number 6. Okay, in number 6, we can find one. Wow, question number 6 says, very important thing. A bird flies 1 kilometer in a minute. Understand, 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Get it? So if you give 1 minute to a bird, it can fly up to 1 kilometer. Do you understand? Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Okay, getting? Use t for time. Now time, 1 minute is time. So you can take t, small t, to represent time. So,
Sir, 1 kilometer multiplied by time.
okay, 1 kilometer is there. In 1 minute, it can fly 1 kilometer, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 kilometer multiplied by t, you can say. So you can
Yes, sir.
say 1 multiplied by t kilometer, or you
Yes,
can
sir.
say if you multiply 1 by t, it is same. Yes or no? Same. So you can say t kilometer. If we say, let us take 10 minutes. If we give 10 minutes to the bird, how much it can fly? So
Sir,
obviously,
he can fly
yes. What is this? T is for
10
time.
kilometer.
10, 10 multiplication, 10 km we can say. Because this t multiplied 1 kilometer, right? Or you can say you can write like t multiplied by 1 kilometer. So t is 10 multiplied by 1 kilometer. So it is 10 kilometers. It is 10 kilometers. Now got it? So the common rule for this is t kilometers. T multiplied by 1 kilometer, or you can say t kilometers. So if it is 10 minutes, it is t kilometer, 10 kilometers. If it is 50 minutes, then 50 kilometers. Right? Good. Very
Yes.
good. Now let's go to question number 7. We have to go for question number 7. Okay. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli. Do you know what is rangoli? Basically, girls they go for competitions, kind of this kind of things. So this is rangoli. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In rangoli competition, So rangoli means what? They put dots. Yes or no? And they join like this. This is called rangoli competition. Sometimes they join this like this. Sometimes they join like this, like this. They make like this, and
Yes,
they're
sir.
happy. Yes or no? This is rangoli competition. Do you ever do this? Yeah, I think
Yes, sir.
there's different characters. Different characters they can form out of this. This is called rangoli competition. Okay, very good. Now, drawing a dot rangoli, beautiful pattern of lines joining dots, right? With chalk powder. She uses powder. This one, matte rangoli. She has 9 dots in a row. How many dots are there in a row? Suppose this is
Nine.
a row. How many dots are there? She found 9.
Nine.
One, two, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here? 9 dots. Think this is dots. Think this is dots.
Dot.
Okay. In a row, this is the dots. 9 rows in a dot. Clear? Good. See has 9 dots in a row. How many dots will her Rangoli have for our rows? The number of rows is?
Sir, 36 row points.
Okay. So what is 9 dots? There are 9 dots in a row. But the number of rows is not known still now. Wait. 9 dots. 9 dots is equal to 1 row. Okay, now clear. How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? Agar 8 row hai, if there are 8 rows. Now the question comes 8 rows. How many rows are there? 8 rows. Is asking for 8 rows. Can you see? Now 8 rows are there. Then how many dots are there? In one row, how many are there? 9 dots. In 8 rows, what you have to do? Get it? How much?
Yes.
How much is it?
72.
72. Now there are 72 dots. Clear? If there are 10 rows, in one row there are 9 dots.
90.
Obviously, 9 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 90. Okay? Okay, it is not asked. Can you tell me the common rule for this? Rows is R, dots are 9 dots. Then what can we find the common rule for this? Can you find the common rule for this? Very simple. In
Yes, sir.
9 dots, and number of rows are R. So 9 multiplied by R, or you can say 9R. The question is not given, but I am asking you this. Clear? Very good.
Yes.
Now let's go to question number. Now let's go to question number 8. Go to question number 8. Okay, very good. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Now discussed about Radha. Now we're going to discuss about Leela. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Getting? One is Leela, another is Radha, and there is Radha. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Now Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Youngest means what? Leela is 4 years. You can say 4 years younger than Radha. इससे 4 साल कम है लीला की एज. Okay, Leela is less than Radha. Okay. Leela's age in terms of Radha's age. Take Radha's age. Now, it's this question says Radha's age is X years. Now, who can tell me what is age of Leela? Radha's age is X years. अब कम है, younger means कम है. कम मतलब क्या करना पड़ेगा? Shall I add or shall I subtract? Shall I multiply?
Subtract.
Very good. X. How much you have to subtract from X?
-4.
I mean X minus 4. We must subtract 4, don't say minus 4. So we have to say we have to subtract 4 from X. Then how much is it? This years. Now clear? If Radha
Yes.
says 10 years, minus 4, that is Leela is 6 years. Suppose Radha 10 years, तो Leela कितना होगा? Minus 4, that is 6. If Radha is 12, minus 4, this is 8. If Radha is 15, Leela is 11. Now clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
is how the question comes. And what's the common rule for this? This is X minus 4. Now Leela's age is X minus 4 years
-4.
when X is Radha's age. Clear? Good. Okay, now let us welcome to question number 9. We will go to question number 9 and we will discuss now. Okay, question number 9. Mother has made laddus. I hope everyone loves laddus. आप लोग को लड्डू पसंद है ना? ये छोटा भीम को सीरियल देखते हो आप लोग, उसमें लड्डू ही खाते हैं भीम. लड्डू खाता एनर्जी आ जाता है उसको. Yes. Okay. When I see laddus in market, I remember Chota Bheem. Okay. She gives some laddu to her guests and family members. Now, mother, they're very kind every time. है कि नहीं? सबके mother बहुत अच्छी होती है, बहुत kind होते हैं mothers. So now mother gives some laddus to guests and family members. घर में जो guest है, guest और family member को दे दिया. Good. Still 5 laddus remain. After, suppose mom made this kind of laddus, mother बहुत सारे लड्डू बनाया. She gave to guests, she gave to you, she gave to someone else, she gave to the neighbor, she gave to many people. How many are left? 5 laddu remains. Okay, after giving all, 5 laddu remains. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, now mother ने कितना लड्डू दे दिया?
Sir, L.
L laddus she gave. उसने बांट दिया. She gave to every people. Now, how many laddus mother did make? Stop, think and speak. तो बॉक्स में कितना लड्डू था? मदर ने कितना बांट लिया? L लड्डू बांट लिया. पूरा L लड्डू mother gave to others. Remaining how much? 5 is remaining.
5.
So who can tell me the answer? How many laddus were there earlier before mother gave? Mother लड्डू देने से पहले बॉक्स में कितना लड्डू था? Very easy. Okay, let me give an example to you. एक छोटा एग्जाम्पल दूँ. सपोज तुम्हारे पॉकेट में कुछ पैसे थे. You don't know. Father gave you some money. You took it and put it here. You have it. You never see. You go to a shopkeeper, get the note. उस नोट को दे दिया. बोला भैया मुझे 2 चॉकलेट देना. कितना दिया? 2 चॉकलेट दे दिया. उसने तुम्हें 2 चॉकलेट दे दिया और 8 रुपये वापस कर दिया. मीन्स 8 रुपीज सी गिव टू यू. अगर 1 रुपीज एक चॉकलेट का कॉस्ट 1 रुपीज होगा तो तुम्हारे पॉकेट में कितने पैसे थे?
Sir, 10 rupees. Sir,
हाँ.
can you?
10 कैसे हुआ? 2 रुपए प्लस 8 रुपीज. Yes or no? Combine
Yes.
this 10 rupees. Now coming to this point, mother distributed L laddus. 5 is there. मतलब 5 बच गया. तो टोटल कितना था? How can you know? How can you know this? You spent L, still 5 is there. So the total which was in the box में कितना था अभी? Yes. Earlier,
Sir, L.
L plus 5.
5.
Listen, जैसे यहाँ 2 plus 8 हो गया, 10 हो गया, like that. Mother gave L to other people, 5 is there. So अगर नहीं दिया होता तो L रहा होता 5 के साथ. Then it is L plus 5. This is the rule. This is the common rule. Or you can say this is what mother had made. Mother had prepared L plus 5 laddus. इतना लड्डू मम्मी ने बनाया था. Okay? Good. Let's go to question number 10. Okay? Great. In question number 10, we can find one thing. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. Getting the large box, big larger box are there. From this we have to make small boxes. To make small boxes, right? When a large box is emptied, empty मतलब पूरा खाली कर दिया गया, मतलब सारा ऑरेंज को छोटे में भर्ती कर दिया गया. To fill small box, still 10 oranges remain outside. ये सब फुल हो गया. फिर भी क्या हुआ? 10 ऑरेंज बच गया यहाँ पर. How many? 10 oranges remain in the big one. Thus balance बच गया. Right? Left we can say. If the number of oranges in small box are taken to be X, what the number of oranges in the larger box? अब क्या होगा देखो. If the number of oranges in the small box are taken to be X, what the number of oranges in the large box? Now get it?
Yes.
This is
Yes,
a big
sir.
box. From this big box, 2 small boxes are filled. कितना हुआ देखो? 2 small boxes. 2 small box में इसको fill कर दिया गया. It is full, but still 10 remains. So how many? What is the number of oranges the large box contain? कितना उस large box में था? How can you know this? एक छोटा सा रूल दिया गया. The oranges in a small box are taken to be X. क्या बोला ये? Small box में जितना orange है उसको X ले लो. Now can you tell me what's the rule? कितना बॉक्स है यार यहाँ पर? छोटा बॉक्स कितना है? How many small boxes are there?
2.
2. So here it is X, here it is X. So how many are there here in boxes? If you add this and this, how much will you get? दिस इज बिग बॉक्स। बिग बॉक्स में क्या हुआ, एक छोटा बॉक्स रह गया और एक छोटा बॉक्स रह गया, प्लस 10 रह गया। नाउ टेल मी व्हाट द रूल, हाउ मच इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ oranges? We have to add them, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Add.
X plus
Now what, how can we add? X plus
plus
x
X
plus 10.
plus 10.
So what is this? X plus x, what is that?
Sir,
2x
2X.
plus 12. Getting? So this is the, we can say one box is x, so two boxes, then 2x plus 10 is remaining. So this is the answer for this question of 10. Now clear? So what's the number of oranges in the large box? Now you have to write the answer, that is 2x plus 10 is the number of oranges in the large box. Okay? Getting?
Yes,
You
sir.
can take a common also. You can take common of 2 also. Then we can say x plus 5. It can be also done. Right? Both are correct. This and this both are correct. Okay? Very good. Very good. Okay, now let us go to question number 11. I think you have done it earlier. Prior to this, you have done this type of question. So it will be quite easy for you. Okay? Good. Okay. Now, question number 11. Look at the following mastic pattern. The squares are not separate. Not separate matlab? Look, if this is a square and this is a square, we say these are separated. These are separated. But if you take like this, if you take something like this, and if you put it this one, then can you say these are separated? No. These are separated. These are separated. Okay? But these are not separated. But these are not separated. These are adjacent to each other. मतलब एक ही वॉल है दोनों के बीच। देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, इसका और इसके बीच दो वॉल है, बट यहाँ पर इन दोनों के बीच एक ही वॉल है। नाउ क्लियर? सो हाउ मेनी मैस्टिक्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक दिस एंड दिस? देखो इसमें बनाने के लिए 4 प्लस 4 चाहिए, बट हियर इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट वी नीड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। हमें चाहिए 7 बिकॉज ये वॉल दोनों के लिए कॉमन हो गया, मतलब दोनों के लिए एक ही वॉल काम, एक स्टिक काम कर रहा है। सो इट इज 7, but if it is separated it is 8. Look at the point now. So in this picture they are not separated, they are one, right? Good. The squares are not separated. Separate नहीं है, एक है, मतलब these are joining with each other, ये दोनों एक दूसरे से जुड़े हैं। Okay, this is one, this is not two, this is one stick, right? Okay. Two neighboring squares have a common mastics. देखो बोला ना common mastic मतलब दोनों का एक स्टिक है। ये जो मैंने टिक किया ना ये सब कॉमन है, मतलब इसके लिए भी काम करेगा, स्क्वायर के लिए भी, स्क्वायर के लिए भी काम करेगा वो। Observe the patterns, find the rule that gives the number of mastics. Now it says observing the rules, rule follow करके give the number of mastics, कितना mastic चाहिए, you have to find it out. Okay, getting? Yes, let us start. Okay, for this one how much required? For one square 4, दोनों के लिए for 2 it is 7, for 3 how much is required? ओके हम ऐसे करते हैं, 7 मीन्स व्हाट, फर्स्ट के लिए 4 चाहिए था, नेक्स्ट के लिए 3 चाहिए, ये सर नो?
Yes, sir.
लेट अस डिस्कस। फर्स्ट के लिए 4, सेकंड के लिए 3, नेक्स्ट के लिए 3, बिकॉज दिस इज कॉमन। देखो ये कॉमन हो गया,
Yes, sir.
राइट? ओके लेट्स कैलकुलेट, 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 9 10, राइट? So this is 4 plus 3, this is 10. Now go to this one and find how much are there. This first one is 4, second
4,
one 3,
3, 3,
this is 3 and this is 3,
3.
right? So how much
Yes.
is there? This is equal to, yes, yes, you can tell me, 7 10, this is
13.
13. Very good. Now understand, to make one of this picture we require 4, to make 2 we require 7, to make 3 we require 10, to make 4 we require 13. And can you see the pattern observation? अगर अलग अलग होता तो सबके लिए 4 चाहिए, listen नो, तो डिफरेंट इज 4 4 4, बट हियर 1 is common. So इसके लिए क्या हुआ, this is 4, now second one is 4 plus 3, third one is 4 plus 3 plus 3, listen no, fourth one is 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, yes and no? It's going
Yes,
on.
sir.
The first one is 4, और बाकी का जो रेस्ट वन इज 3 रिक्वायर्ड. गुड. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन सेज इन टर्म्स ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स. अब क्या बोल रहे हैं? नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स. तो नंबर स्क्वायर हमने बोल दिया. If you remove the vertical stick at the end, if you stick the vertical stick at the end, you will get a pattern of C's. अगर हम क्या करेंगे? Suppose हमारे पास एक ऐसा है. The pattern is like this. कैसा पैटर्न है हमारे पास? ऐसा पैटर्न है हमारे पास. हम क्या करेंगे इसको? If you remember, देखो स्क्वायर हो गया, ये भी स्क्वायर हो गया, ये भी स्क्वायर हो गया. Like this it can continue. Like this it can continue. Okay. अगर हम क्या करेंगे? लास्ट का जो हटा देंगे इसको. If we just drop it out, अगर हम इसको हटा देंगे तो क्या होगा? Now you will get a pattern of C's. ठीक है नहीं?
Yes, sir.
At the end इसको हम हटा देंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? ये C के जैसा पैटर्न मिल जाएगा. Right? Now can you find a rule for this? Can you find a rule for this one? अब देखो 1 के लिए कितना चाहिए हमें? 4 चाहिए. 2 के लिए 4 + 3. 3 squares के लिए 4 + 3 + 3. Now can you see a pattern? First one is 4, बाकी 3 आ रहा है. So what you can do? What rule can you make? You can say, suppose इसको ले लिया हमने क्या? S. 1s के लिए 4. For 2s, this is how? 4 + 3. For 3s, it is 4 + 3 + 3. So here you can see, अगर हमें एक स्क्वायर बनाना है तो 4 चाहिए. 2 होगा तो 1 4. तो सब में 1 4 आएगा. इसके बाद बाकी जो होगा उसमें 3 आएगा. So the common rule will be, देखो the common rule will be, suppose 3 के लिए हम common rule निकालेंगे. That is, जो 3 है इसमें क्या है? 1s आ जाएगा. For 3s, s multiplied by 4 plus 4 बना देना. 3 मतलब क्या है? 3s लाएगा तो 3, 3 के साथ 4. Okay, just we will go different. You do one thing. हम और चीज में उसको डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं. या लेट्स सी. देखो इसमें क्या हुआ? s का मतलब क्या हुआ? 3 + 1 हो गया. यहाँ पर कितना है? 2 जब आ गया तब क्या हुआ? 7 मीन्स 6 + 1 हो गया 7. है कि नहीं? यू कैन गो दैट वे. 3 मतलब क्या हुआ? 3 3 3 प्लस 4 मीन्स व्हाट? 3 + 1. तो क्या हुआ? 9 + 1 हो गया. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
जितना लेंगे ना, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 + 1 एडिशनल आ रहा है. Yes. So let us make a formula for this. Suppose 4 square लेंगे तो कितना आएगा हमारा? 4 + 3 + 3 + 3. मतलब 4 के जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 + 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. है कि नहीं? 4 के जगह 3 + 1 लिख सकते हैं तो कितना 3 आ गया? 1 2 3 4. जितना स्क्वायर है उतना 3 आ रहा है प्लस 1 एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है हमेशा. Then what we'll do? We will write, to make 4 squares, the rule is s multiplied by 3 + 1. Getting? Are you clear?
Yes,
Let
sir.
me repeat it. How much? अगर 4 स्क्वायर बनाना है then we need 3 multiplied by s. कितना स्क्वायर बनाना है? 4 स्क्वायर बनाना है तो s is equal to 4. तो इसके जगह 4 लिख देंगे प्लस 1. इसको ब्रैकेट में कर दो. तो कॉमन रूल इज 3s + 1. हो गया? चलो इसको पुट करेंगे. अगर पुट करेंगे तो देखो 1 स्क्वायर बनाओ कितना हुआ? s का जगह 1 लिख दो. 3 × 1 + 1 दैट इज 4. गुड. 2 स्क्वायर बनाना है तो 2 लिखो इसके जगह. 2 × 3 6 + 1 7. आर यू गेटिंग? 3 बनाना.
Yes.
इसके जगह 3 लिखो. 3 × 3 9 + 1 10. Get it? So this is the rule. This is the rule which we can find for this question. Right? Very good. Now let us go to the question number, which one? 11. B. 11B. Okay. Now we have studied question number A, 11A. The common rule we obtained there is 3s + 1. मतलब 3 कॉमन है, सबके प्लस 1 एक्स्ट्रा नीडेड होता है. इसके लिए हमने इस रूल को बनाया. लाइक दैट. देखो यहाँ पर क्या ट्रायंगल है. द ट्रायंगल्स 1 2 3. बट इफ मेक 2 ट्रायंगल्स, देखो पहले का 3 चाहिए, बाकी के लिए 2. सेम थिंग 3 2 2. अगेन 3 2 2 2. राइट? आएगा समझ में? गुड. अब क्या हो रहा है? देखो हर जगह 2 2 2 2 2 2 चाहिए, बट ओनली फर्स्ट में 3 चाहिए, बाकी में 2 2. मतलब इस 3 को हम 2 + 1 लिख सकते हैं. मतलब जितना ट्रायंगल है उतना 2 चाहिए प्लस 1. यहाँ पर भी देखो 3 की जगह क्या लिखते हैं 2 + 1, तो कितना हो गया 1 2 3, 3 2, दो दो चाहिए प्लस 1 एक्स्ट्रा है कि नहीं?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what can be the rule? The rule वहां जैसे हमने 3s लिखा like that the rule here you can write 2, यहाँ पर क्या दिया ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल का हम P भी ले सकते हैं, ओके, और मैट्रिक्स के लिए हम भी लिख सकते हैं। तो 2, अब फाइंड द जनरल गिवन नंबर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स एंड नंबर ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स। T ले लो ट्रायंगल के लिए 2T + 1। लेट अस पुट दिस रूल, इस रूल को पुट करते हैं 1 T की जगह 1 लिखो, कितना हुआ 2 × 1 + 1 3, गेटिंग, दो चाहिए T की जगह 2 लिखो, कितना हुआ 2 × 2 + 1, कितना हुआ 5 हो गया, देखो 2 + 3 5, 3 बनाओ, हाउ मच इट इज 2 × 3 इज 6 + 1, कितना हुआ 7, यहाँ पर 2 3 2 2 7, 3 बनाओ, इफ यू मेक 3 triangles 2 × 3 that is 6 + 1 that is 7, if you want to make 4 2 × 4 8 + 1 that is 9, can you see 3 2 2 2 2 6 + 3 9, yeah, you got it. These are the
Yes.
rules by using algebra we can find. तो मैं पूछ लूंगा अगर हम ऐसे 100 बनाएंगे, it is not there but I'm asking you in that pattern if you make 100 triangles how many mistakes required, who can answer me? In this pattern we will go to 100 triangles we will make, then how many mistakes are required? Very simple, write it 100,
Yes.
2 multiplied by 100
100.
plus 1 that is 200 plus 1 that is
1.
201
201.
only. There is no need to draw and then tell. This is how algebra helps us to find the answer for our day-to-day experiences and day-to-day activities. You got it? Okay, very good. So here we end the questions of level point 1. I think it is quite helpful for you. It will create great thinking for you so that you can put in your day-to-day activities. So thank you all.